Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacy and this is my art channel. Today's video is another Create This Book 3 video. If you haven't seen my other Create This Book 3 videos, I'll put the playlist in the iCards above. I also have a playlist of Create This Book 1 videos, and I'll put it in the description below if you want to check it out. So in my last Create This Book 3 video, I talked about how I filmed 3 spreads, but I only had time to edit one of those spreads. Ideally, I would have liked my next Create This Book 3 video to have been at least 2, if not 3 more spreads, because like I explained in that video, I wanted to get through all of the beginning spreads so I could finally get to the prompts. But unfortunately, like I explained in my last video, I had some big news in my family and I need to go be with them right now. They live in the US, I live in Canada, so I'm flying out this weekend, and I wanted to go ahead and finish 2 videos for the next 2 weeks while I'm gone, if possible. So I decided to use that pre-recorded footage to create the next 2 videos. So if I can get them finished, they'll both be one spread in my Create This Book 3, and then I'll be back after that. I do appreciate all of your kind words in my last video. It really means a lot to me that so many of you are so kind and understanding and supportive. Winter is always really hard for me here in Canada, and this time it's extra hard because of all the things that are happening, and it's good to know that I have such a kind audience and that all of you care and appreciate my artwork. It really means a lot. Anyway, I don't want to get too emotional, so back to the spread here. All of these beginning pages in Create This Book 3 are just kind of talking about how to use the book, so I'm mostly just covering them up since I don't really need them after the initial read. This one says, a little note before you get started. Welcome to Create This Book 3, where a new adventure awaits on every page. In these pages, you will find 101 prompts designed to inspire creativity. Use your imagination and modify the directions to fit your unique style. This is your creation. Be open to various ways of creating. Don't limit yourself. Here are some options: drawing, writing, taking photos, scrapbooking, journaling, and collaging. Be original. Embrace imperfection, think outside the box, and have fun. The other side said, empty box. Fill however you see fit. But like the way it was situated on the page reminded me of a Game Boy, so that and my love for everything Pokemon was the inspiration for this page. I did decide to do it digitally since on the page before it, I used alcohol-based markers and it bled through the page. And then because on the adjacent page where it was talking about using various ways of creating, that gave me the idea that I could do it digitally and then print it out on sticker paper and put it in. So that's what I did. I did print it just a tad smaller than the page, so I added some cute pink washi tape at the bottom, some Gamer Girl washi at the top. That washi was actually designed by Bailey J, another art YouTuber. Once I was done, I wanted to do something simple to decorate the adjacent page, so I designed simple tiny Game Boys and added little sparkles. It was cute but simple and I love it. I know this is somewhat of a short video, but I hope all of you enjoy it. If you have Create This Book 3, I would love to know how you decorated this spread, and I would love to know what you think of this drawing. I love chatting with all of you in the comments. If you made it this far, consider putting a game controller emoji in the comments. I'm going to do my best to post another video next week. If I have to miss it, then I will just see all of you the following week, which will be March 11th, right before my birthday. I will see all of you then. Goodbye now.